This is probably the most obvious setup if you're going to solve a system by substitution, because you've got two equations and they're both already solved for one of the variables. They're both solved for y. So what you can do, since 7x plus 10 equals y and negative 4x minus 1 equals y, they're both equal to y, so that means that they are equal to each other. So you can go ahead and set that up. Now you have one equation with just one variable, x, and you can solve one equation for one variable. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides, subtract 10 from both sides, and then just divide it out. So I end up with x is equal to negative 1. So I have two variables in my original problem. I have x and y. I know the value of x. I need to find the value of y. At this point, I can choose either equation to substitute in for x and find y. There's no preference here. I just usually go with whatever one looks easier to me. So this one has positive values for 7 and 10, so this seems easier to me. That's the one I'm going to pick. It makes no difference which one you choose. So if you choose this first equation, then you substitute x in as negative 1, and then you do the math, and you determine that y is equal to 3. So in this system of equations, x is equal to negative 1, and y is equal to 3. Now, Smart Money is telling you to go back and check this answer in both of the original equations. So if I substitute here, 7 times negative 1 plus 10 is equal to 3. That's good. And then check it here. So this would be negative 4 times negative 1. So that's positive 4 minus 1 equals 3. It checks there. It has to check in both equations or it is not correct. So take the time, usually you use your calculator, but take your time and make sure that works. And that is the most straightforward substitution method that there is.